Do you want the luxury of a bubble bath, but the convenience of a shower? My name is Kate with WTI, and I think you will love these shower steamers from Zen Hearth. This package comes with 6 different aromatherapy tablets. They are all different scents. So there's lavender, which is super relaxing, eucalyptus and mint, which is great for your breathing, grapefruit, nice and fresh, tea tree and lemon, love that bright scent, cedarwood and lemongrass, and then rosemary, which made me feel like I was in a steam room at a spa. These have very strong smells, but not overpowering, just nice and pleasant. So all you do is unwrap, throw it into your shower. You don't want to be right directly under the water because it'll disintegrate a little too quickly, but just off, still getting wet, not getting soaked, and it will last you your entire shower. I have an average probably of 10 minutes in the shower, and by the end, it's pretty much dissolved. This gives you a super luxurious feel. It fills your entire bathroom with an awesome fresh smell. It's also made in Canada, which I love. So if you want your next shower to be an incredible experience, I think you should check out these shower steamers too, and that's my point of view.